back, traders. Trading the Great British Pound, JPY, the US Canadian, and the Aussie US dollar. I took some trades here. These are all live trades with the time cycle markers, and they are very precise. The entries with sometimes as soon as you enter the trade, you'll see in the video, these are live trades, it goes positive right away. No drawdown to minimal drawdown. And I did get stopped out on the Great British Pound JPY, but just re-entered. My stop was a little too tight, but hey, better safe than sorry. And we took it down even further. Okay, so trade your plan, stick to your plan, and trade your plan. All right, so I will update you with the video. It's just it's just great when you're trading your regular core strategy and you have this for an entry. It's just it keeps your drawdown to a minimal. All right, traders, I will update you with the video. Stay profitable. Welcome back, traders. Trading the Great British Pound JPY. We got a buy cycle coming up. Yeah, in 2 minutes we entered the trade already. Got buying pressure pushing the market up already. Let me tell you. Let me see. What is my entry price? Hold on, traders. Okay, my entry is right here. On this pair. We can look into the future here. This is the buy cycle will be coming in 1 more minute, and we could hold the trade till 5:50 a.m. depending on how the trend is going. Now you can see they already have buying pressure pressuring the market up. And we had a really hard sell-off right here. To flush out the some of the longs and take it all the way down, and now we're going back up. Should be coming in with a green cycle marker any moment. There it is. Right there. And my stop is going to go below here at 160.25. Already up about 30. How many pips? 20. Okay, my stop is going to be one below here, 60.25. All right, traders. Let's put a stop line. 60.25. And I can show you the stop loss. An 8-pip stop. But I'm already up about 20 pips. I can just move the break even. All right, traders. Welcome back, traders. Trading the Great British Pound JPY. Here's my first trade of the night. Well, actually in the morning. It was a 3:30 signal on the Great British Pound JPY. Actually, you know what? I'm also in a trade of the Aussie US dollar. Had a signal on that for a buy, and I'm in those two trades. Up on both. This one, well, it's pulling back pretty nasty here. Let's see. We were just up almost 60 pips. So let's see where we're currently at now. My entry down here, 45. Yeah, looks like we'll see. We got to close above here. We got 2 more minutes. Once we close above this line here, then the trend's gonna shift. If not, yeah, we should go up move. Yeah, we'll see what happens with this. But like I said, actually, you know what? Let me move my stop to break even. All right, I'm gonna pause the video. The trader's gonna move my stop to break even. Well, I'm looking at my MTI4 charting. I see a cross set up on the Great British Pound AUD. Oh, I just missed that. I'm on 20 pips right there. Oh well, you can't get. Excuse me, you can't control the trade. Let me show you what I'm looking at, traders. Right here, cross set up, bounce right here at support, and buy signal at 2.021, and it's about to take 20 pips right there on Earl's T3s. Oh, I missed that trade. That was that thing that flashed on my screen for the buy signal. Oh well, you can't take all the trades. Here's a little update on that Great British Pound JPY trade. Didn't take long. $85 pips. Welcome back, traders. Trading the Great British Pound JPY. Once again, a buy marker. This one with an 8 pip stop, we're up over 100 pips. And I moved my stop to break even very quickly. Welcome back, traders. Trading the Great British Pound JPY. Okay, we got a sell marker here. This is my second trade. First trade was at 3:30 a.m. We scored 100 pips on the first unit, over 100, and then on the second position, it pulled back here, retraced, and it was getting close to the sell cycle, so I closed that trade. Okay, so we're 1-0 with the Great British Pound JPY. So we just took another sell. Well, we took a sell here. That was a buy. And now our stop is, I think we're at 10. I should put it, should be over this ATR. It should be right behind the cycle marker. Yeah, we're at 10. That's our stop loss. So let's see what happens. I'll try, we're going to take, let's see what our next signal is. Our next signal is chop, so this will probably be my last trade until, wow, not for a while. 1440. Not for a while. Nothing really. There's nothing really promising up here, so this is probably my last trade on this particular pair because I don't see anything significant. I'll have to look at the power zone. If not, I'll just switch to another currency. Probably the I'll probably switch to the dollar Canadian. Let's take a look at that. I think the dollar Canadian's going up. Yeah, dollar Canadian's got quite a few buys. Hold on, that buy at 615. Right here, double stochastic. I mean, you got the A stochastic and the power zone buy here. Oh, so I missed this one. And as you can see, it's going up. So let's see, 845. I don't know if I want to take this one because it looks like a flush down. Now this 925 one looks really good. Back traders trading the Great British Pound JPY. All right, we took a stop out on this this one right here. So how many pips? We have to put an X on that. And it looks like somebody just took me out, and we're gonna reverse. That would be pretty funny, but okay, we got taken out. Let's see. Where are we? Let me get my entry. Welcome back, traders. Yeah, it just took me out. Looks like about 1 pip. Now, if we close below this line here, I'm going to re-enter the trade. But we have to close below the red line. So we still got about 3 minutes. If we close below that red line, then I'm taking another short. It must have got me out with 1 pip, as my stop was right here. In fact, let's see how many pips I lost. I got in at 90. Right here. $19. Alright, so like I said, we closed below there. Well, let me just read this line. We closed, that's the harmonic scanner. We closed below that red line, we are taking short. We got 1 minute. See how this thing works out? Just stop was just a little too tight, but better than be safe than sorry. Harmonic scanner. All right, we close below, traders. Let me pause it, and we are taking a short. Okay, we are in the market again. Taking that short trade. Close below this line. Once it closes below this line, it's going down. Stop loss again is going to be, it's going to be a little more risk here. Definitely going to be a little more risk. Close here. Still has to go beyond that, that same position here. So we got a 25 pip stop. All right, traders. 161.11. Okay, we took the U.S. U.S. Canadian short trade on the harmonic scanner. Because I'm definitely expecting a dip down about 725, so I think I can withstand the price action right now. All right, now you can see the JPY trade here is working out, even though we did get stopped out on that really tight stop. But hey, you follow the rules and you stick your plan. And once I got I got a re-entry, and now we're up on this trade. Let's get a downtrend line drawn. All right, so I'll update you with this trade. Let's try to get this to break even as soon as possible. So, all right, traders. Welcome back, traders. Trading the Great British Pound, JPY. We've got a green cycle marker here at 410. And we have two positions in the market. So we're going to put a stop here at 60.12. Also, we're in the Canadian dollar. We're on the CAD too. Short. And with this time cycle marker here, looking to take it down to 3:55 a.m. And we're in the Aussie dollar. So the Aussie dollar. Yeah, Aussie dollar is 72.14. Right here, we're in here. So we're up a few pips here. All right, traders. So I'll update you with these trades. Welcome back, traders. Just gonna give you a quick update. Canadian short. Look at the trade working out immediately. JPY long and profit right away. And I was already up in the Aussie dollar already. And then that trade I took earlier today. And that trade I'm already out already. And it should be going up again because we got a green cycle marker here. Right down here with this low histogram. So it's probably going to go up slowly. Across the, it's going to cross the zero line way over here. So this is we got a long time slow move here, and then we got to watch out for this time. So maybe we'll exit because it looks like a pretty big drop down, but it's still, once it drops down, then we could buy again down here at 1600, and then we cross the zero line going up. All right, traders. So I'll update you with this trade. Welcome back, traders. Trading the U.S. dollar Canadian. Now look, we're getting close to the buying time, so they're trying to flush out all the, the buying time's coming up. We have, I'm probably going to exit very shortly, probably after this bar here closes. We got one bar. It's 3:47 a.m. and it's due to go up at 3:55. So I'm going to be exiting my position very shortly. All right, traders. Welcome back, traders. Trading the U.S. dollar Canadian. I reversed my closed my short position, reversed, and look what happened. This is my stop loss. It looks big. It's only 10 pips, and we're taking off to the north. I'm gonna hold it until we get to around this bar here, and then I'm just gonna exit and then wait for the 535 signal, and then I'm just gonna hold that trade because you can see the trend is going up slowly here. And then we got to sell my JPY trade. This one I'm gonna hold. I'm in the JPY, and I'm just gonna hold this one as well. Slowly working its way up until we get to 710. Then I'm looking to exit. And depending on where it is, maybe take a little short. Looks like some. Actually, maybe I should just wait till 8:20 and take a short then. And then then you got a buy signal at 11 a.m. and that's about it. We'll see. I mean, I made a lot of pips this week, so like I said, I don't want to overdo it at the moment. So, plus I have to work today, so that's out. I just thought about that. All right, yeah, this will probably be. I'll just hold this to 7:10. I have to go to work early actually today, so I'll hold it till then. All right, traders. Welcome back, traders. Trading the U.S. dollar Canadian. Back, traders. That's pretty much the end of the video. Wound up getting between the my last two trades, the U.S. dollar Canadian and the Great British Pound JPY. The Canadian was 47 pips and the JPY was 53. All right, so traders, as you can see with those entries, very precise, minimal drawdown um, on those pairs. Those were live trades. Okay, so now this I'm looking into the future. I'm looking into the future for Sunday night. Looking like possibly pushed run up on the dollar Canadian, and then a push down very slowly, and then we're gonna break the zero line around here. So we'll see what happens with that. Also looking for another trade at this juncture. I'll be looking for a trade. Just remember the key words that I'm saying. I'm looking at these times to see if it's appropriate for me to take a trade. Okay, and then also the dollar, the Aussie dollar is gonna get some huge strength. So let's take a quick look at that power zone. Aussie dollar right here. Right here, Aussie dollar looking like it's gonna rally big time. So I'll be looking to buy the Aussie dollar definitely next week. Especially at, looks like the price is gonna open and it's gonna dive and then take off. So I'll be looking at 5 o'clock or when the market opens to try to see if I can get an entry on this dollar Canadian. US I mean US Aussie US dollar, sorry. Okay? That's what I'm looking at. You know, it's up to you to make your own trade decisions. Okay? All right, traders, you need any information on this, please let me know, and I will try to help you out as best as possible. Okay, so stay profitable. I'm out.